to Good morning everyone, Sufiyoto Namudaya. Today I want to reading the short story. The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter. He lived in a small house near the forest. Every day he went to the forest to cut wood. One day while he was walking near a river, his axe slipped slipped from his hand and fell into the deep water. "Oh no, my axe is gone," he cried. "How can I walk now?" Suddenly, a fairy appeared from the river. She asked, "Why are you crying, young man?" The woodcutter said, "My axe fell into the river. It's the only tool I have to earn money." The fairy went into water and came back with a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. "No, that is not my axe," answered the woodcutter. Then the fairy broke the silver axe. "Is this your axe?" "No, my axe not silver," he replied. Finally the fairy broke an old iron axe. "Is this your axe?" "Yes, that is my axe," the woodcutter said happily. The fairy was very happy, honestly. She gave him all three eggs as a gift. The woodcutter thanked the fairy and went home. He learned that honesty is the best policy. Moral of the story: always honest. Always be honest. The second one is the short story The Little Seed. One day, a small seed fell from the tall tree and landed on the ground. It looked around and saw many big trees standing proudly with strong trunks and wide branches. I'm so small." Then the seed said, "I will never be like them." The wind blew gently and whispered, "Just wait, your time will come." They passed, and the seed lay quietly under the soil. It felt dark and lonely. Sometimes it was afraid. Nothing is happening. The seed thought, "Maybe I will stay like this forever." Then, one day, the rain began to fall. The water touched the seed and slowly woke it up. The warm sun flowed, giving it energy. The seed started to grow little by little. At first, a tiny root came out. Then, a small green shoot pushed its way through the soil. It was not easy. The soil was heavy, and the wind was strong. Sometimes the little plant bent almost the ground. "I want to give up," it said. "This is too hard." But the sun shined brightly and said, "Keep going." The rain added, "You're stronger than you think." So the little plant kept growing. Day by day, it became taller and stronger. Its roots grew deeper, and its leaves became greener. Seasons changed. The small plant became a young tree. Birds began to visit and sing on branch. People sat under it to rest. Years later, it had become one of the tallest trees in the area. One day, a small seed fell near it and said, "I'm too small. I never grow big like you." The tree smiled gently and said, "I was on small too, but I don't give up. But with time, passion, and courage, you can grow into something great." Moral of the story: great things take time, passion, and preference. Never give up, even when it feels difficult. Thank you everyone. Sekian tuh Budaya.